Well, hello, and 'tis the season. 'Tis the season to make Christmas cookies, and I'll be making a few of them this month. Guess what? My friends Mitch and Philip are hosting a collaboration celebrating Christmas cookies called hashtag Christmas Cookie Extravaganza 2022. And I will be making Frito cookies using Fritos. Let's do it. Jingle bells, grab yourself a bowl. I need to start with 4 tablespoons of softened butter. Ooh, and 7 tablespoons of sugar. Mix until light and fluffy. 1 egg yolk, mix until combined. Sprinkle on a 1/2 cup of flour and a 1/2 teaspoon baking powder. Mix it together. We need to break apart about a 1/2 cup of Fritos. Adding a little chocolate chips and Christmassy peanut butter M&Ms. Now I'm making some firm balls and I'm placing them on a cookie sheet. I'm going to cook them at 350 for about 10 to 12 minutes. Christmas Frito cookies. Who would have thunk it? I gotta try it. Ooh. It's wonderful. A perfect amount of sweet and salty. It works wonders. Make sure you check the hashtag in my description to see more fabulous Christmas cookies. Thank you so much, Mitch and Philip, for hosting. What do you call a snowman with a 6-pack? An abdominal snowman.